Hey, what's going on, y'all? Riley here from Mad Vapes of Easily, coming at you with another YouTube video today, talking about a new device we just got in. This is it right here. Well, it's actually the box for it, but it's called the Cascade 1 Plus from Vaporesso. So there's the same people that make the Territ, the Trigger, the Territ Nano, Territ Mini, the Cascade Tank, the Energy Tank, the Switcher, the Swag Kit. They make all that stuff. But they make this thing here as well. So this is essentially their version of the X8 kit from Smock. They've got a little bit of a cooler design, I think, because the Cascade tank is one of the cooler tanks out there right now. This one actually uses the energy coils, though. So it doesn't use that big old press-in fit coil that the actual Cascade does. It still uses the smaller energy coils. That are pretty much interchangeable with the Baby Beast coils. But the reason I like this is it's got this locking feature on the open to put the juice in. So instead of, let me find the arrow. So instead of just pushing it over like that, see how it won't open? You actually have to lift it up and then turn, and then it'll be open. So if you got this in your pocket or anything like that, it's highly unlikely that you're going to open it up to dump that juice out. Plus, it's got a very small glass, so it's not going to be very easy to break. And it's got a very big juice capacity. That's what I'm looking for. This one actually says it's 5 milliliters, which looks a lot more than the size that it is. So it actually holds a lot more than you'd think. They say that these air hole slits for the airflow are supposed to increase flavor. Because of the way they're cut in. I don't know how much of that I believe, but that's what they say. But yeah, I mean, it's very easy to use. 5 clicks turn on, 5 clicks turn off. It works pretty much exactly like any one of these would. It just looks a little bit different, so that's that. It does come with a mesh coil as well, which I like a lot. Mesh coils are the new thing, especially RDAs and stuff. A lot of people are trying out the mesh coils. I know the Baby Beast has a mesh coil now. Looks like Vaporesso has made one as well. You can look in there, see that it is mesh. So it comes with one of those. Comes with one of the regular NRG coils. Actually, I think this one's ceramic. I can't tell. That looks different than most coils, but there's that. And then to change the coils, just like anything else, you're just going to unscrew the bottom off. I'm just going to screw in there. But yeah, so that's pretty much all I got for you guys. If you got any questions, comments, or concerns, you guys know the drill. Make sure you leave them in the comment section below. We do appreciate you watching the video.